In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, senior leaders face the challenge of not only managing, but also leading across multiple levels of their organization. Insight Experience's Leading Organizations program is designed to expand the skills of leaders as they prepare for broader roles. Through a unique group-based simulation, participants dive deep into real-world scenarios, balancing strategic decision-making with effective communication to lead their organizations to success. The simulation's sophisticated modeling reflects the complexity of actual business environments, mapping decisions directly to profit and loss outcomes. This detail ensures that every strategic choice impacts financial results, mirroring the intricacies leaders face daily. Participants take on the role of a general manager, navigating growth challenges, operational shifts, and evolving customer needs. Teams experience firsthand how their decisions drive substantial impacts and can translate these insights into actionable strategies for application back on the job. Our program focuses on developing a balanced leadership mindset, enhancing financial acumen, and mastering strategic communication to inspire and create trust within teams. Insight Experience programs are not just about learning, they're about doing. Participants engage in reflective sessions, receive valuable feedback, and share challenges with peers to build relationships and a robust leadership skill set. Whether leaders are managing managers or transitioning to cross-functional roles, this program is tailored to propel your leaders beyond traditional leadership boundaries. A multitude of leaders across a variety of industries have completed our award-winning Leading Organizations programs. Empower leaders' journeys with Insight Experience. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more.